Okay, try it on your phone. That. Okay, guys. Here's what happened. I'm not sure why. This video has to be really fast because I'm using my phone to record it. But anyway.
Oh man.
You got the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, as you guys know, this is a video about GTA 5. I took the little. This is the Xbox 360. I took the little internet thing off. I removed deleted the cache. Deleted the files on the flash drive. I took out the Wi-Fi, and we was letting this Grand Theft. Yeah, we was letting this Grand Theft Auto 5. Oh, not I didn't mention it yet, but hold on. So we've been trying all night to get Grand Theft Auto 5 to install over and over and over. It just kept freezing. It was freezing at what number was it freezing at? 400. First it at 399, and then 400, and then
on this escapade since the PM.
Yes, and we tried everything. So finally this morning I woke up. I did everything that I did before, but I added something. I decided to clean the disc as well.
Yeah,
with everything else that I did. And this number.
The GTA 4 disc in, it was dirty, so I cleaned it with that rag and it worked. So guys, remember to do that. Clean your disc.
These numbers have not stopped moving since. It has never froze at all, not even one time. Worked for me. I know it's probably gonna be hard for you guys to understand this video with me and son talking at the same time. So if you have any questions about what we did or how we did it or how to fix it, just add it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, hashtag save the channel.
Save the channel.
Hashtag save the channel.
And we're not gonna shoot this until it's actually finished because that would take forever. But we got faith that since these numbers are still moving, it's not gonna stop ever. See you guys in Grand Theft Auto Land.
See you later.
Dun, dun, dun.